Welcome to the jungle, the Green Explorer, Iguazu Falls. There was a monkey right here, but he jumped away like a little scared monkey and ran off. Welcome to the Green Explorer at Iguazu National Park. As you can see, we're getting to the falls. We're going to try to find some stuff to work with. I think we'll have some luck maybe when we get down lower into the floor from all the debris coming from elsewhere, landing on the floor and going into the little areas where people don't usually go. So you can see how spectacular it's getting already, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's go. You can see in back of me, it's pretty spectacular double monkey fall. The monkeys have a tendency to jump off the falls and go swimming. So we're going to watch out for the monkeys, and we're going to try to find some debris and make another piece today. So let's go. Okay, making my way down to the bottom. Beautiful walkway. Go down as far as we can to try to find some stuff left over from humans so we can make a piece. It's turned out to be a beautiful day, and we're going to try to show you as much of these beautiful falls as we can. So let's go. Okay, we made it to the bottom. You can see it's people just throw whatever they can. Right here's a diaper, for example. Can't really work with a diaper, but we're going to keep walking around and trying to find stuff. Say hi to my friend Julio, the boat driver. Hey, Julio. Julio. Okay, here we are, and this is a good sign. They're saying, you know, who's responsible for keeping this park clean. And we look in. You taking stuff out of here, as should you. Start making art.